Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Purva Skydale project. It is a residential development by Puravankara Group. This project is located at Sarjapur Road. This project offers luxurious apartments that are well versed with modern-day conveniences. This project is fully equipped with all the modern amenities to facilitate the needs of the residents. The project is spread over 4.65 acres of land. So this is the covered parking area. Purva Skydale has 3 towers having up to 17 floors, which in total comprises of 288 residential units. So friends, as you can see, the construction work is going in full swing. The project is in finishing phase and the possession will be available soon. And here is the road outside the project. The project is close to many hospitals, government schools and other reputed schools, colleges, banks, supermarkets, speciality restaurants that has made it a dream destination. So now we are here inside the building. Now we will see the model flat. So here, as you can see, first we have the living area. Now we are moving towards the bedroom. Here we have the first bedroom of the flat. And as you can see, it is very spacious. And having an attached washroom. And here is our dining cum living room. And here we have the kitchen, and adjacent to it, this is the utility area. And you can see that the kitchen is very wide and spacious. So this we have the servant area, and this is the washroom attached to servant area. Here we have the common washroom, which is designed with all the ultra-modern utilities. And here is the another bedroom of the flat. This is the washroom attached to this bedroom. So here we have the kids' bedroom, which is also very spacious. So friends, we have shown you the interior view of the sample flat. So thank you for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, kindly contact us at the given number. Thank you.